Hello, today I'm going to fry noodles. Look like I have a lot of ingredients over there. This is some kind of egg noodles. I have, for this portion is about for 3 people. Right, and I have the beansprout there, green vegetable, fried tofu, meat. For meat I use pork meat, and oyster sauce. This is thick soy sauce. I have ginger and garlic. This is the fish cake. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the noodles first for about 1 minute before I stir fry. Water is boiling. I'm going to put in the noodles. About 1 minute passed. The noodle is okay. I'm going to fish them out from the hot water and soak them in the cold water before I stir fry. So I'm going to drain it from the cold water now. Just poke it inside here. Then we have the noodles. I have put in 2 soup spoons of cooking oil. Just put in the garlic. Put in the ginger. Okay, garlic is cooked. I'm going to put in the meat. This meat I have already marinated with salt. Putting the fish cake and tofu. I got to cut it first. Putting in the vegetable stem. Getting too dry, I'm adding a bit of water. Adding in the vegetable leaf and also beansprout. I'm putting in a lot extra vegetable because we all love to eat vegetable. And the vegetable will whole, look at that, it's organic. I'm putting in half of the oyster sauce from here. A bit of chili. Half teaspoon of salt. I'm putting in a few drops of the thick dark sauce, soy sauce. When the vegetable and the meat is cooked, I'm putting in the noodles. Add in some more oyster sauce. And the remaining of this thick soy sauce. Getting dry, I'm adding in a bit more water. So after a couple of stir, mix well together, then we can remove from the heat. Okay, that's finished. I want to try it. Wow, it's nice. It's quite tasty, so I'm going to switch off the heat now. That's all for the fried noodles. You can use whatever noodles for this recipe. fried noodles. Wow, very nice.